Hi, guys, and welcome to our series all about Wix forms. Previously, we've learned how to create form rules. Now, we are going to learn how you can manage your form rules. Let's get started. So, on the Wix editor, go to the form you want to work on that contains the rule you want to manage. Click on it and click on Edit Form. Here, go to Rules on the left. Here you can filter your rules. This is used to help you find rules that contain a certain field you're looking for. This is also where you can edit a rule or delete it. And if you have multiple rules and would like to rearrange them, you can simply drag and drop them according to your preferred order. And of course, if you want to add a new rule, just click on Add Rule over here and create the new rule you'd like to add to your form. And every time you create a new rule, always click on Save Rule so that your new rule could be saved here. And once you're done working on your form, always make it a habit to preview it so that you're going to know how it looks like before you publish your changes. Once everything's all good, click on Save over here and click on Save on your editor as well to save your changes. And if your site's previously been published, click on Save again in order to publish the changes you've made to your live site. And that's it. So go ahead and manage your rules according to the available options Wix has. We hope this video was helpful. Thanks so much for watching and see you guys in the next video.